Guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd create this brand new updated tutorial showing you how to get secrets in Still a Brainrot. I'm going to be showing you some Still a Brainrot codes that you can use right now, apply in game, and it's going to unlock all secrets. There are other things as well you can get, guys, such as max luck or infinite luck as well. So yeah, this is really easy, and this is a simple code that you can enter into the game and is going to upgrade your account, and this is working in 2025. So yeah, this is the best way to get secrets in Still a Brainrot for completely free. And let's get into the video. So you can see I've got my mobile phone here. I've opened up the internet browser and I'm going to head on over to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. So you can see, make sure you do spell it correctly, of course, and you're going to want to go to Cold Coupons. And this is an awesome website. I've used them previously for other games, but I did notice they had a Still a Brainrot codes page. So I'm just going to use the search bar at the top and just type in there, Still a Brainrot. And there are currently 3 codes available, guys, and these are really popular. You can see 100 plus people have used it today, and they are 1,000 plus, 9,000 plus 4.9 ratings. So you can get a code that's going to get you the 2nd and 3rd floor. You can get a Still a Brainrot code for infinite luck. And you can get a code to unlock all secrets. Now, this is an awesome code, guys. This is basically going to get you every single secret in the game for free. And this is a verified working limited code, guys. There are 100 plus codes at the time of recording this video, and they do replenish the codes quite often. But it does limit 1 code per person. You can only do this once. And you can see you need to unlock your code. It says the code will be revealed after verification. So you need to verify you're not a robot, basically, which is completely normal, guys. I've already done it, and you can only do this once. But yeah, what you're going to need to do is click on this button here and just follow the instructions on this code unlocker. It basically is going to unlock your code. Complete 2 of the free tasks. You'll unlock your code and follow the instructions. I'm obviously skipping forward here, but you just need to complete any of the 2 tasks on this page. You need to complete 2 of them. They're all completely free, and these can be things like mobile applications and games and surveys. Just follow the instructions. There is a description that tells you what to do for each task. Complete 2 of them, and your Still a Brainrot code will now be fully revealed. This will say unlocked, and this will say successful, and you can grab your code, redeem it in game, and that is how to get all secrets in Still a Brainrot. You can also go ahead and get infinite luck as well if you wish, but these are by far the best Still a Brainrot codes in 2025. Head on over to Cold Coupons. Any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial, guys.